Just a bit higher, Mon. We need to secure these garlands at the peak.
Ooh, pretty lights.
That's it, little Mon. Perfect size. Easy now, Panda. Line it up perfectly with the opening. Solid as a rock. Optimal placement for maximum festive audio coverage. All systems go. Ready for the grand illumination. Hold it steady, Mon. Just a little more.
Ta-da! Time for the lights!
A magnificent spectacle. Well done, everyone.
Welcome, everyone, to our Christmas Wonderland.
A touch of ambiance, just right.
A warm cup for a job well done.
It's perfect.
Indeed. A job very well done. Done.
Just a little warmer, my dear Mon. Precision is key for the perfect melt.
Ooh, smells so festive.
Excellent stirring, Mon. Keep that consistent motion.
Careful, Gorilla. Almost ready. They're perfect. Perfect.
That's coming along nicely, Mon.
Perfectly presented. Happy delivering, team.
70 degrees Celsius. Perfect for adding our festive scents. Pine. Pine. My favorite.
That's it. Stir it gently to distribute the aroma.
Steady now. Almost there. They're beautiful.
Careful with that glue gun, little one. That's a beautiful finish, Mon.
Finish, Mon. They're all ready.
Off to spread some holiday cheer.
Is it ready yet, Ikaran?
A dash of cinnamon for warmth, Mon.
Smells so good. Ready for the wax. It's so shiny.
Slow and steady, Mun. That looks wonderful. Almost ready for Santa.
Wow! So many gifts!
Onward to a Merry Christmas.
Hold it steady, Mun.
Almost at the optimal pouring temperature.
It smells like the forest.
Just perfect, Mon. Now for the final infusion.
Here we go. So pretty.
Ah, good job, Mon. Making those boxes look extra special. Perfectly labeled. That's a lovely touch, Mon.
So many happy gifts.
So many happy gifts.
The sleigh is ready for its important mission.
Happy Christmas, Esmus, everyone.
The temperature is perfect, Mun. Ready for infusion.
Smells like Christmas morning. Higher, gorilla. Coo coo coo. Almost there. Just a few more.
Next stop, the bridge. Time for the grand finale.
Chirp, chirp. This one's a bit loose. Perfect! Almost looks like Rudolph. Ah, perfect.
Perfect. The farm looks truly magical.
Wow! So big!
Time to get this beauty upright, Mon.
Squeak? Me help!
This part's tricky, little one. You're my spotter. Got it, Mon. Precision is key.
Strong, strong. Safety first, always. Good to go. Here we go.
Perfect rotation. Perfect rotation.
Right there. Almost. Almost.
Nailed it.
Yay! Standing!
Solid as a rock.
Strong tree.
Now for the fun part.
Ladder time. Ladder time.
Always stable, little monkey.
Electrical work needs extra care.
More!
All clear. Safety first. Neat and tidy.
Last light!
The grand finale.
Oh, wow!
Perfect!
It's so shiny!
Star set. Almost ready.
Perfectly straight! Perfectly straight! It's so beautiful!
Last check. All good. The honor is yours, Mon.
Oh, wow! It's so beautiful! It's magical!
Merry Christmas, Mon.
Best Christmas ever!